And finally, we'll put the boolean variable at 0, so it was shooting equal false, and shooting equal false in both cases.
0. Oh, and shooting.
Because we want to be able to shoot again.
Equals false. Okay.
So let's retry that. Okay, just shoot one time. Okay. Just shoot one time and then don't click anything. Okay. Okay. Don't click anything. Just maximize your window. You see that the ball has stopped there because
Yeah.
it was outside of the screen. If you shoot again, you can see it works, and it stopped on the. It won't work on the right side because when you maximize your screen, you also maximize stage width, so it's normal. But 0 is still 0. It's weird. Anyway, so
But in a like if you put this in like a on
web
the internet browser, you can't resize it, right?
exactly, yeah.
So that doesn't change anything.
That's why I suggest you to never maximize your screen when you are testing because it doesn't matter. And by the way, I just noticed that your target is not transparent. There's like a white
Yeah,
stuff in it.
I don't really know how to do that.
Okay, we'll just do it. It's 2 seconds.
Oh
Just
yeah, you select the white part and you just delete it,
yeah,
right?
exactly.
I remember that. So nice.
Okay, we'll finish today with maybe just one target that we can shoot at, and next time, tomorrow, if you are available, I will show you how to shoot multiple balls, but it's a lot more complex. Shoot like infinite balls. Um, so we'll add just one target. So simply draw a target, like I don't know, a sheep or anything, in another layer. So I'll call it enemy one. So I'll draw an enemy. The enemy will be a smiley face. Are you good in drawing?
Uh, I don't know. I
Even
don't really like draw that much.
not even when you were younger.
I guess. Whoops. Okay, there's my target.
Perfect. So now we'll convert it into a symbol, so we can add some code.
Just signal.
I will put
Uh,
the
I
registration
already did target before.
enemy one. One, and the registration point is in the center. Okay, put that
Yeah, it's
at top
already
left
there.
corner. Okay.
Enemy 1. Okay.
Okay. And we'll give it a name in the property window. So enemy one again. Okay. So now we want to be able to shoot at it. Maybe we will make it move, so it will be more fun. So from left to right to right, maybe make it bounce on the walls from left to right.
Yeah, if enemy 1
Exactly.
dot x is equal to stage, uh,
Exactly. But
then
we'll simply make
times minus 1.
exactly that.
So go scene 1.
We'll need a new speeds variable. Uh, uh, one we need two more for the enemies. In fact, only one more because we will make it move in x only in x. So maybe enemy speed, enemy speed with a number. Its number will be I don't know 5
So
or 10. Then
it's enemy speed
yeah, it will be the speed of the enemy. It has,
bar.
it has to be another variable because if not, it will interfere with our ball. Okay. In the run function, we'll make it move. Make it moves. Uh,
It's make it move.
oh yeah, make it move, not moves.
No, because it's moving. How many thing? How many things are moving? There's one thing moving. I don't think you. I don't even think you can say moves, unless
Okay, but
you can say it like in
it
a different
moves.
definition.
Okay, I can never say it moves. It's
It
always it moves.
Yeah, but if if it's like in something how to say, like for example, you see something like a can and it's moving for no reason, like it moves
Okay,
since it's an inanimate object.
okay. But I was saying make it move. I don't have to say the S. Why?
Well,
Then
it's kind of complicated to explain.
okay, okay. Anyway, okay. So make it move. It's because it's like if I was saying it's moving.
Yeah, well, it's not that. It's sort of like a move when you add an S. It's not really like a plural.
No, I
Like
know it.
it moves. You're referring to one thing, but it still has an S. So
No, no. Okay, I mean move is a verb. No, like
yeah, it
it
yeah
it teaches. It teaches. It moves. That was my point.
yeah.
So make it moves. Oh, okay, I understand. It's like in French, it's le faire bouger. Bouger, c'est ER, parce que c'est l'infinitif.
I just found $1
Oh, at your place.
on the floor.
Okay, okay, nice. Okay, so make the ball move. By the way, we should need to we need to add some comment, but I will leave this to you because we are starting to have a lot of code. Like this part here, calculate the angle. This part here, make the ball moves. Here, the target follow. Here, the ball exit the screen. We should add some comment to remind all that to us. Anyway, now we will make the enemy move. So first of all, make the enemy move by saying enemy.x plus equal enemy speed. So at each frame it will move, and we are going to say if the enemy touch a wall, then it will bounce. So it's the same code that we used before, but but because the registration of the of the enemy is at the top left, we have to change the code right there, like it was before. So minus enemy one width, and same thing for it's going to be enemy one x, and there enemy one x minus 0 simply. And if it touches the wall, we have to say enemy speed times equal
Okay.
1 minus 1.
One dot. Whoops. Copy.
You know, if you double click on a word, it will select it.
Oh.
It's very useful to copy paste words like that. And
Okay.
it will be minus enemy width, and with no divided by 2, because the little cross is at the top left, and for the ball it was at the center. So that's why I suggest you to always put the little cross at the top left for most of the object. In fact, it's simply minus less than equal 0. There is no minus any one there.
Okay.
Finally, we will invert the speed by multiplying it by 1.
Enemy speed times equal -1. Okay.
So let's test that. I have some errors.
Yeah, me too.
And I wrote. Do you know if you double click on the error, it will bring you to directly to the line?
Yeah, but here it says line 62 and it brings me to line 52.
Okay, sometimes Flash is buggy, so it doesn't work, but most of the time it works.
And they're very wrong. Enemy.
Yeah, I missed. Yeah, I missed the one. It doesn't
Wait.
find anyone. How do you call? Ah, because your enemy is inside the target, I think. So
Oh, I made it inside the.
okay, you just have to copy it outside of the target. So
How do I do that?
okay, go inside the target by double clicking on it. Select
Okay,
only.
copy.
In fact, cut it. Control
Okay,
X.
cut. And now I have to make a new layer.
Yeah, it would be better.
New layer and call it for enemies.
Okay.
And just whoops, paste. What's going on? Paste.
Okay. It has been pasted, but I don't know where. Maybe. Press. Oh yeah.
Whoa, what happened here?
Okay. It's because you have. It's a little bit complicated, but when you created your target, you probably rescale the symbol, so it's like to shrink it, so to make it smaller. So when you draw your enemy in the shrinked target, when you paste it outside of it, it took its real size. So
Oh,
that's the idea.
well, okay. I don't understand why it does that. So,
Now we can test it.
so now it should work. Whoops, it goes for the wall.
If it doesn't bounce, take a look at your code. And speed.
Enemy one.
Minus 2.
I think it's here.
Oh,
Yeah, ball one.
it's enemy.
Enemy one. Oh yeah, and I want to put this on the bottom layer so the ball goes over it.